Max, I'm going to go show everyone what I did to the Honda Rebel, okay? Okay, guys. Let's go downstairs here and I'll show y'all what is going on. Come on, Max. I'm dipping the carburetor in chem dip for 24 hours. I already did the float bowl. I also already put the jet mod in with the bigger jet and the shims and the needle shims. Those are on already. Everything else is good. I even tested this to make sure it floats. There's no holes in that. And that's good. That's cleaned out. Because I did get the motorcycle started. Well, let's go in the garage. I'll show you the motorcycle. Ooh, it's so dark in here. Let's put some lights on. Okay, here's the new frame. I don't know if you guys can see that. The title came with it. I have to get the title. Once I get this assembled, I'll get the title transferred. And I'm going to go with, I'm painting the frame silver and the motorcycle black. So it's going to be silver and black. I was going to paint it gold. I think gold looks stupid. I might cut this off. I might save it. I don't know. But we're going to definitely do mods to the frame. It's like if I do my neck, we'll cut the neck we'll cut it here, and we'll cut it here, and then we'll increase the rake a little bit. I don't know. I still might. I'm thinking if I do the neck, I have to get a different gas tank, so it's going to just be more money. So more than likely, right now I'm just doing a swing arm. I'm going to make the swing arm 3 to 4 inches longer. I was having trouble. Come on, Max. You don't want to go in there, man. He's been already in here knocking stuff over. As you see, I even got an old set of pipes with it. They had wrapper on the pipes, so we have to cut those. Once I get the engine off, I'm going to take the head off, and I'm going to port the heads. I'm going to shine up the passageways, polish the intakes, and etc., etc. That's what we're going to do to the heads. I might get new valves. I may not. Man, you just got to go in there, don't you, and knock shit over. It was having trouble with the starter one-way bearing. I got that resolved. I'm going to have to show you guys how you properly put on your one-way starter bearing. I was having problems with the main seal bearing was leaking. We got that replaced, so that no longer leaks. And it does start. I've already had it started, but what happens is it starts and then it won't stay running because I think I was having carburetor problems. So once we get the carburetor cleaned out, we'll fire her back up and it should be okay. Believe it or not, guys, this motorcycle is actually in better shape than my 87. It doesn't look it, but it is. It's in better shape than the 87. And everything else is there. Everything is, all the wiring's there.